Greetings, Madam Tanusha. Thank you for inviting us to your house. What are the problems faced by you when there's too much rubbish in your drain?
So first of all, the drain gets clogged up and I have to physically use my hands to pick the rubbish up, and this makes me very uncomfortable. And the rubbish also, it smells, the stench is too strong. And second thing is, because of it, the drain gets clogged and the water becomes stagnant. So it becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And
Currently, in Malaysia, rubbish and waste management has been a big drawback that leads to many other complications. 23,000 tons of waste is thrown daily in Malaysia. Hello, my name is Shashwinaya son of Chandran, representing SMK King George V, with my other two members, Kadrisin son of Mohan and Chua Yu Hing. Our team name is EcoValiants. Vast amount of rubbish is thrown into drains that leads to clogging. In Negeri Sembilan, according to the Seremban City Council, the task of cleaning rubbish is only done once a month. Problems of clogged drain in housing areas is prevalent. My neighbour, Madam Tanusha, faces difficulties as the drainage system in front of her house gets clogged often. This leads to complications such as stagnant water, which becomes a breeding spot for mosquitoes. Rubbish produces stench, and rainwater overflows during rainy season, causing flash floods. So, we have came up with a solution to solve this issue. We have invented a prototype entitled DUNCLO, which stands for Drain Unclogger. DUNCLO is innovated to fit in various types of drains and functions automatically with the program of NodeMCU and Arduino.
It's a great pleasure to offer our advice and expertise in these collaborations with SMK King George V for the Young Innovators Challenge 2020. I am Associate Professor Dr. Abdulaziz bin Hairuddin, will assist the students on the design part.
Hi, my name is Dr. Azam bin Ash'ari. My expertise is in instrumentation and control system. My contribution in this team is to assist the student to do the programming by using the Arduino and also the IoT system by using the Blink application.
Hi, my name is Dr. Aris Liandi Bensbuni. I will assist this team for my area on design and analysis. Thank you.
I'm Associate Professor Dr. Jina Eza Jaafar from Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Department. I will assist this team according to my expertise in structural materials and management.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to all that are watching. I'm TS Dr. Zulkifli Mahmudin, a Senior Lecturer of the Kuala Lumpur British Mission Institute from the section of Medical Engineering Technology. My expertise is within the field of biomedical engineering itself, particularly in dealing with signal from the brain, with more than 20 odd years of experience.
Hello, I'm Kadrisin Mohan. I'm the design engineer of Team EcoValiants. To solve the problem my friend Sashwin stated in the problem statement, I have come up with a design innovation. Firstly, we brainstormed for ideas for our design. Then, I sketched it on a piece of paper. Later then, I converted it into a 3D design using Autodesk Inventor.
Part 1. The mainframe acts as a pathway for the waste to flow into. Part 2 is the attachment to Part 1 and function as a locking system. Part 3 and 4 are the detachable sides, help adjust the frame according to the size of the drains. Drains in housing areas could differ in width. Part 5. The frame holder acts as a casing for electrical parts. There is a small hole which acts as a place where we can pull out the fishing line, which later will be tied on the net. Part 6. The cover for the casing keeps our electrical items intact in the casing. This also prevents water from entering the casing.
Hi, I'm Chua Yu Hing. I'm the electronic engineer of Team EcoValiant. Hi guys, so in our project, we will be using the NodeMCU as our microprocessor. This is because NodeMCU has Internet of Things capabilities and is able to connect to the Blink app in our phones. Besides, we will be using a load cell which will determine the weight of the rubbish in the net. We will be using a power bank. In this case, you will see a USB cable which will be connected to a power bank in order to power up my device. So, how does my device work? Well, at first, the load cell will determine the weight of the rubbish. It will then transmit the data into the HX711 amplifier, which in turn change the data into something readable by our microprocessor. Then the NodeMCU microprocessor, through its IoT capabilities, will send the data into the Blink app in our phone.